Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the skeleton with a Bowie knife. I already laid down the white, as you can see. And it's a Samsung tablet, and I put a stick over the camera. I put some grease remover on this, and the colors are black and white as opaque, and the rest of the colors are transparent colors. So as you can see, because it was a black background, I just put the cover stencil over this, and so I can start with the next step, which is the inside of the star. So I'm laying down the whole stencil with the opaque white. And I'm using yellow and red for this. On the bike gas tank, I used like a full red as a background. So this was the color for the background. Now comes the skeleton. So this is the first gray. So I'm using the opaque black again, but with less opacity. So I'm painting a normal gray. And also using a light brown for the color of the skeleton. And the light brown I mix myself, it's like 90% yellow and 10% purple. And this is the final highlight stencil. So I'm now operating with full white. As you can see at the rib cage, I have not painted it full white, but I highlighted one side of the rib cage, so it looks a little bit more natural. Now I'm doing a little bit of a pattern for inside the star. So first I'm using the black to darken one edge. Now I'm putting down some dots. So this now with the cover stencil to lay down a color for the background if needed. In this case I put some drop shadows on this whole thing. Can do this freehand or with the first stencil. And now I'm using the light blue as a cyan blue. So, and now normally this is finished, but I'll show you now some effects to make it look a little bit more complicated. So first I'm lightening up the background behind the skeleton. So I'm using the yellow and red to get a bright orange. So, and also putting down some highlights around the edges of the star. So for this I'm just using the cover stencil. I put it a few millimeters to one side to lay down the highlight side of the star. Same on the other side. So this was the stencil where you can lay down the shadow if you want a hard drop shadow. And now I'm using some stars to finish the whole thing up. And there you have it. If you like this design, you can give me a thumbs up and